Hi, in this video we will see how to make taskbar transparent in Windows 11. By default there is no transparent taskbar. To do this thing basically we need to download on software. In this video we will see how we can download that software and finally we can use that software to make our taskbar transparent. So let's get started. To download this software, at first we need to access Windows Store. If we notice carefully on the taskbar, you will see on Windows Store icon is there. If you don't see there, just click search and type Windows Store. Once you click here, then the Windows Store window will be opened. It will take few seconds to load the Windows Store at the beginning. Don't close this window because we must need it to install that software. And here, once it is loaded successfully, then we have to go to the search box. In the search box, we need to type that software name. The software name is Translucent TB. We don't need to type the whole name. If we type the first part of the software name, trans, then we'll find there is the software. So this is the software Translucent TB. So we just need to click here to access this software. I'm going to click here and then this software will be loaded. From here we have one button, that is like get button. That means we need to install this software first. So I'm going to hit this get button to download and start installation of this software. Once we click the get button, then it will take few minutes. Not few minutes, basically it will take maximum 1.5 minutes, but again it depends on the internet speed. Once the software is downloaded successfully, it will start installation, and once the installation is done, then we'll find different types of button. Let's wait till it download and install the software. Once the software is installed properly, then there will be a button. It is called open button and we are ready to use this software. I'm going to hit this open button, and once we hit the open button, then we'll see the taskbar is transparent now, and here there is like welcome screen and it has different options of link like donate or something else. So we don't need to change this thing. We can press the continue button to use this software, and once we press the continue button, then we'll see that the taskbar is completely transparent now. So in this way we can easily make our taskbar transparent. And if we don't want, or if we keep back to the default state of this taskbar, basically we can also go back to that settings also. For that case, basically what we need to do, we need to go on the bottom right side. There are a couple of menus or icons are there, and there's the arrow button. We just need to click here and then it will pop up or expand it, and here we'll find that running software which is Translucent TB is there. So if we right click and then it will give us option, and if we click the exit button, then it will be exit. I mean the software will be closed and it will be reverted back to the default Windows option of taskbar. That means it's not transparent anymore. And again, if we need to run this software, we just need to go that software and then we have to open this software. Once we click open this software, then the transparent taskbar will be appeared shortly. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily keep our taskbar transparent on Windows 11 computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.